What is the point of getting a tattoo? Often tattooed in memory of an important event, date or situation. Also, a tattoo can be an unconscious attempt to attract attention or a desire to experience new feelings, vivid emotions like love for extreme sports. Among the reasons may be the desire to gain control over your body, over yourself, over life. One of the top cosmetic companies in South Korea, LG Household and Healthcare, revealed on Monday that it will exhibit its mobile temporary tattoo printer, Imprintu, at the upcoming Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, Spain. The trade event, which is regarded as one of the largest exhibits for telecommunication and mobility technology, will see the debut of a South Korean beauty company. At the upcoming Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, Spain, one of the leading cosmetic companies in South Korea, LG Household and Healthcare, said on Monday that it will display its portable temporary tattoo printer, Imprintu. A South Korean beauty brand will make its debut at the trade show, which is one of the biggest exhibitions for telecommunication and mobility technology. The business asserts that Imprintu tattoos use secure vegan tattoo ink and can endure for around a day. They are adaptable and appropriate for a variety of situations because they may be printed on both skin and clothing. LG also intends to increase the variety of images and pattern appearances accessible via the Imprintu mobile app. Xane, LG's most recent multimodal supergiant artificial intelligence model, is used to produce these appearances. Users can select from a greater variety of appearances using this functionality, making it more appealing to a wider audience. Imprintu will reportedly be released in the second part of this year, beginning in South Korea and the US. The company's goal to increase its footprint in the beauty sector and investigate new markets is indicated by this action. Imprintu's launch represents a significant milestone for LG because it shows the company's dedication to innovation and determination to maintain its leadership position in the cosmetic sector. The company will be able to present its most recent product to a larger audience and perhaps draw in new clients from other regions, thanks to the launch of Imprintu at MWC. Scientists have proven that after a tattoo session, a person's immunity increases. The fact is that in the process of drawing a picture on the skin, the body experiences a little stress, which strengthens its defense mechanism. A tattoo is useful for those who are trying to change their body, hide defects and overcome complexes. Tattoos cause breakouts on sensitive skin as soon as the ink enters the body. If you notice any signs of an allergy after getting a tattoo, you should consider removing the tattoo from your skin to prevent further reactions. Do tattoos fade? Of course, the drawing on the skin can lighten, especially for colored tattoos. This process occurs on average 5 to 6 years after application. Sometimes a tattoo can last in excellent condition for 10 years, because the rate of fading of the pattern is directly related to the natural renewal of the skin. In conclusion, the introduction of Imprintu, a portable temporary tattoo printer, by LG Household and Healthcare, signals a significant advancement in the cosmetic sector. Imprintu has the potential to revolutionize the temporary tattoo industry, with its high-quality tattoos, quick printing method, and variety of appearance options. What do you think about the new tattoo device? Would you purchase one? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.